Right guys, let's have a go at page 15 then. We've got this thing here which looks pretty awful. I looked at it and I thought, ugh, yuck. So let's have a try and look at it, see what we can make some sense of it, shall we? I'll just draw a little grid for my own sake. So I'm going to draw right on the page freehand. Yeah, so I just want to make sure I keep it within a certain boundary. Right, so we got this thing here, yucky do. Now the first thing is I'm going to write it out for my own satisfaction on the page underneath, because we've got a bit of room now. So it's x plus 3 over 6, yeah? And then it's plus 2x minus 5 over 3, and that equals 2/9, yeah? Now the first thing I want to do, because I see these objects on the top of fractions with more than one term, immediately I put a bracket around it, yeah? Now I look at it and I want to bring everything on ground level. So I want to get rid of these fractions. So I want to scale up all these fractions. So I ask myself, what does 6, 3, and 9 go into? 6, 3, and 9? The good thing is they all go into 18, don't they? So if I times this by 18, so 18 of these will equal 18 of those, won't it? So why don't I do that? So just put 18 of these, 18 of these, and 18 of these, which I'll just squeeze in there. Alright? Is that fair enough? Let's just tidy that up to make it look okay. So it's 18 of those, wasn't it? Now you'll see now why I put the bracket, because more than one term you're going to have to expand brackets, alright? But the first thing to do is cancel the fraction now to get rid of the fraction that's underneath. So 18 over 6, 6 goes into 18 3 times, so in effect we've got 3 of these, haven't we? 3x plus 3, 3 lots of. And then this one is 18 over 3, we've got 6 of those. Great, everything's on ground level, it doesn't look half so bad now. 18 over 9 is 2, and 2 2's 4. Okay, good. Now we need to expand the bracket. To do that, you draw two lines. Lines 1, line 2, and then you just run through the lines. First line, 3 times x, agreed? Second line, 3 times 3, which is plus 9. Then move along the row for the next expansion of the bracket. Again, 2 lines, because there's one term outside, 2 terms in, so you draw 2 lines. The first line, 6 lots of 2x is 12 lots of x, isn't it? And then plus times a minus is a minus. 6 5s are 30, equals 4. So let's collect like terms. We've got 3x here, we've got 12x there. So how many x's have we got? 15x. Let's just collect the numbers to start with. 9 take 30 is minus 21, equals the 4. So I haven't moved anything, I've just collected like terms, yeah? And 9 take 30 is minus 21. Now I want to move this minus 21 through the equals, and it becomes plus 21, doesn't it? So we get that. Good. Plus the 4, of course, that's already there. So 15x is 25. Divide by 15 both sides, so I'm just going to do it here, like so. So I'm running out of room again, and that tells me what x is. X equals, and now 25 over 15, there's a 5 common, so it's 5/3. That's what I reckon it is. 5/3. Horrible. 5/3. Doesn't look very nice, does it? Because it's hard to check, isn't it, in this thing here? But I can check it in. Where could I check it? Well, I'm just going to have to double check the thing, I think. So are we all happy? Let's just review it then. 9, 3, and 6 all go into 18, don't they? So basically, if I do 18 lots of this, more than one term per bracket, 18 lots of the second thing, plus 18 lots of second will equal 18 lots of the third. Agreed? Then I did the 2 lines to expand the top things, right? But at the same time, 18 over 6 was 3. So 3 lots of this. 18 over 3 is 6, so it's 6 lots of this. 18 over 9 is 2, so it's 2 lots of the 2, which is 4. Expand the bracket, 3x, and then 3 3s are 9. So those two done. 12x, there. Minus 30 there, that's good, equals 4. Then we've got 3x and 12x is 15x. 9 take 30 is minus 21. That's good. Move the 21 across to get 25. Keep the 15x where it was. Divide by 15 both sides, which is what I've done here effectively. It's like moving the 15 from times to divide. It's the same thing. X is 25 over 15, which is divide by 5 top and bottom, 5 over 3. Okay then, I think that's okay. I've done a little mini check from our own purposes just to check that we haven't made any silly mistake. But I think we're okay there. It's hard to actually put that value in here, isn't it? Work that out, I think. It's not worth the bother. So we've checked it the other way. Alright then, good. That's that one done. That's page 15. Let's go down the page. I think that's it on this page, yeah? So let's go to the next page. Good.